Almost every residual income or passive income video on YouTube flat out lies to you. They tell you to start an Etsy store, write a big ebook, or build a network marketing team. Well, that doesn't take hours, that takes months, sometimes years, before you ever see a dime. Today, I want to cut through the BS. I'm going to show you how you can literally set up and launch today and start building residual income in minutes. Thanks to the automation tools and turnkey marketing system and what has been my #1 recommended income stream for over 4 years now, building residual income has never been faster or easier. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full-time since 2002. Passive or residual income has always been my driving force. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about building residual income. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. Recently, I posted a video explaining exactly how I make money online. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. It might be just right for you too. And in case you are not clear, residual income, and you may hear it called passive or recurring income also, that's money that keeps coming in month after month with no additional effort. You want residual income. In fact, I'll go as far as to say you need residual income. See, it's what sets you free. It's how you escape the rat race of trading time for money like in a job. Building residual income is how I was able to retire at the age of 50. I promote a unique affiliate marketing opportunity. We use an automated system to market 4 high-demand digital products people are already looking for. These products range in price from $10 to $1,000. We get paid 80% commission on each one. You can earn as much as $800 on a single sale. Plus, on 3 of the products, we get paid long-term passive or residual income too. Imagine for just a minute, still getting paid months from now for the sales your system makes each day. And this marketing system is completely turnkey. You just let it run. No more wasting days and days setting things up. It's beginner simple. Anyone can do it. Equally important, we also have our own exclusive traffic system where even beginners are generating top quality leads every day. It's everything you need for big success. Many new people are making money their very first day and again, building long-term residual income too. You will receive the best training and coaching. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos. We hold live, interactive Zoom calls daily, led by industry leaders, and these calls are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. Plus, we have our own social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. The company even trains and coaches your people for you, so you spend more time doing the things you really want to be doing. With our system, nothing will be left to chance. You'll never wonder about what to do next. So to learn more and to start building residual income later today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.